Very good afternoon, everyone. In this very critical and very vital conference organized by Dal Khalsa, it is a very important moment for all the linguistic nationalities across the Indian subcontinent. It was a it was a situation earlier. We were not so much well connected. You know, um, we were struggling in Tamil Nadu and Nagaland people were struggling in Nagaland, and then Punjabis were, the struggle was within the state, and then of course internationally. But within the Indian Union, this is the latest happening. If we see, we are very much interconnected now, just because of one reason, that we may be looking different, we may be wearing different clothes, we may be eating something in our own culture, and the way we dress up, the way the day-to-day life is different, but we have one thing is common: the feeling of national identity. Is Tamil people, Naga people, Kashmiri people, and Punjabis people. I envy really the unity of all the people in Punjab, and we talk a lot about the unity. This community changed the entire Indian subcontinent, especially when the Farmers Act came, the one in Delhi. You guys have stood up and set an example for the entire Indian Union. I would say that's a great moment. We should be all proud of this, and we felt like, hey, this became like a kind of a lightening for all of us. We struggled a lot, but nobody heard. But when you guys went to Delhi, it's like a great moment for a certain example for all of you guys. So I represent Nam Tamil Katchi, headed by Chief Coordinator Mr. Senthamlan Seeman. I was like one among like a normal common man, and then like other organization as well. We have Mukalanji Manna from Tamils Welfare Association, and then we have Muthapandi Anna from Marudu People Movement. We are all not united, but one man. After the Tamil genocide stood up in Tamil Nadu, and he united all the powers together. I was in Switzerland, and then I was in United Nations, working separately, and they were in another association and working for the different causes. But one man, like a fire, united all of us together. His name is Mr. Senthamlan Seeman, and because of this man, because of this leader, we all united together, and now we are in a potential to capture the power of Tamil Nadu. And this will entirely change also the political situation in entire Indian Union. Now, to stick to the topic, I will definitely want to stick to the topic alone. We struggled a lot. We gave life. Our sister Senkodi gave her life to release our 7 prisoners of convicted. It was just a prima facie case, but it was not proven case. But for that, they spent like more than 32 years in the prison. What an injustice is this? How can you put somebody as a political prisoner more than 32 years, or more than a decade, or 3-4 decades in prison, without even any trial, without even any kind of conviction? What a stupid system is this? That's where we have a really difference of opinion there. That's where we have to stand together as a unity and solidarity together to fight against this injustice system. Now, after that, a long struggle we have given, after giving a life and giving a long struggle, and then all the political parties united just because of our Nam Tamil Katchi stood up and struggled a lot and gave our voice in Tamil Nadu. Finally, all the political prisoners are released. That's a big victory for us. And though it is through the judicial system, but political pressure from all across, the leaders here, leaders from Tamil Nadu, especially Mr. Seemanana, took this as a challenge. You know, he used to tell us, we can't even win the seven prisoners victory, prisoners freedom. How can we win the nation? He used to motivate us like this. So that's the entire struggle we had all across Tamil Nadu. Now we are in a situation we have to fight together. I learned from every leaders here that we have more than 20 prisoners still in jail. We have to fight together. When you guys are in need of help, we will do a protest in Tamil Nadu. I guarantee that. And same way, we also expect your support when our Tamil people are struggling in Tamil Nadu, and we will be very much united. We will make sure this is the end of the fascism in entire Union of India. A single party, single people, single group of people cannot be a dictator and become like make every indigenous nationality of the Indian Union. They cannot make them slave. We have our uniqueness. Sikh people have the unique identity that has to be protected. Same way, we have more than 50,000 years of history. Even before the language formed, we used to speak a language, then it's called Tamil. It is a natural language and it become grammar after that. The grammar came later, and the grammar itself came 5,000 years ago. Imagine how old the history of Tamil is. Likewise, we have unique history for every linguistic nationalities, like Naga people. Naga declared the freedom even before the Indian freedom, 1947. Then after the British left, they just kept and they went and conquered Nagaland. How this can be justice? Like this, every princely state are struggling in the hand of small groups. When we are united, when we fight against all this together, AFSPA, UPA, CAA, everything will just vanished in a second. I would guarantee that. We have to be connected together. This is the high time. We all have to be united together and give an example for the Indian Union with the linguistic unity. They are nothing. If they don't want to understand this power of the linguistic nationalities, we will teach them in a better way. We are ready for that. Tamils are always ready for that. We have to be just united together, and we are always with you. And I would like to thank the leaders here, Mu Kalanjim Anna, Muthupandi Anna, and Nam Tamil Delhi. We have a Delhi representation here. Mr. Jagdish and other Pakiras and Allah, everybody, they facilitated us really well. Until that, I would like to thank you them, and thank you so much, Dal Khalsa, and for inviting us. I would like to also convey one thing. Next time when I go to United Nations, I go every year 3 times, or at least 2 times. If there's any of your issues need attention of United Nations, I'll be there to speak there. Thank you so much.